Willconnect Screen is a revolutionary device that simplifies the process of screen sharing, collaboration, and communication in meetings or conference. With this device, users can seamlessly connect their devices to any screen without the need for cables or adapters, eliminating the hassle of tangled cords and complicated setup procedures. In addition, the Willconnect Screen offers a unique collaboration feature that allows users to draw and annotate on the shared screen in real time from their phone or tablet. This feature is particularly useful for team collaborations, brainstorming sessions, and presentations where multiple people need to contribute ideas and feedback. Willconnect Screen is designed to allow multiple users to share their screens simultaneously, enabling users to collaborate more efficiently and effectively. The shared screen is split, ensuring that everyone has equal access to the information being shared. Additionally, users can also share their screens on one or multiple screens, making the process of sharing information more flexible and customizable. Moreover, the Willconnect Screen provides a convenient way for audiences to participate in conferences by using their phone as a microphone to ask questions, which eliminates the need for bulky and expensive conference systems. This feature promotes engagement and interactivity, creating a more productive and memorable experience for everyone involved. Overall, Willconnect Screen is a versatile and reliable tool that enhances productivity, communication, and collaboration in any professional environment. It is an investment that will pay off with improved efficiency, higher engagement, and increased profitability.